Welcome back to part 4. Today we will animate this clock in a Blender and add text in After Effects. Let's get started. First, I'm gonna parent everything to the alarm base. To do this, select everything in your scene, then shift-click the base one more time to make it the active selection. Now, press Ctrl P and choose Object Keep Transform. This ensure everything stay exactly where it is while being attached to the base. Finally, press Shift S and select cursor toward origin to reset our workplace. So right now it's time to stop the studio. Make sure that the render engine is cycles. Create a plane as we do always. I will extrude this edge along Z-axis and pivot this edge. Add segments and be sure it's shade smooth. Now I will add a material to that plane, so I will go to shader editor, be sure it's object, new. Now I will delete this and I will add ambient occlusion. Add color ramp too. Maybe we can add an emission node here. Okay, now if you just render in a viewport, you will see that we have a kind of light. You can change the shadow here if you want to make it smoother. Just move this. Now I will add maybe we can just scale it along x-axis, apply the scale. Right now I will add a sphere, scale it. As you see, go to here and from visibility just turn off all of that, and I will add a material to it. I will add an emission node. As you see, I will make it two. So right now, as you see what we have here. So right now it's the magic trick. I will go to render here and go to color management and change this to standard. Everything is a pure white. Maybe I will play with the shadow a little, so I will select the plane and move this. So let's set up the screen material. First we need to UV unwrap the screen using a cube projection. This will ensure our texture wrap correctly. Next, let's head over the shader editor. We will start by adding an image texture node. Now let's bring in the MP4 video for the screen. You can find a download link for this MP4 file in the description below. Now I will modify some settings here. Be sure it's movie and change the frames to 250 and be sure to enable auto refresh. Right now let's test it on the workspace. If you are interested in how I created the digital clock animation itself, leave a comment below and I can make a separate tutorial on how to design that text in After Effects. So guys, it's time for the animation. To keep this tutorial short and brief, I will demonstrate the animation process on just one part. The principle is exactly the same for everything else in the scene. So let's start. I will create an empty on the screen here. So press and hold shift with right click, press here. So we have the 3D cursor here. I will create an empty. Rename it by pressing F2. Then I will create a camera. Okay, for the camera, I will go to here, enable depth of field. I will pick the focus empty. As you see, I will go here and I will add track 2 and I will pick focus 2. Then with the camera selected, just press G, shift Z to move it along Y and X axis. I will keep it for now 2.8. Right now select the camera and the focus and press K and location. So I created keyframes for both, for just the location. Another thing, you have to keep the camera as default for the focal length. If you want to export the data to After Effects, go to frame 20. Right now I will select the empty, then press G and I will move it here. So shift and with the right click, press here and select the focus and press shift S, select to cursor. I will create a keyframe. For this, select the camera and I will move it. Press G, shift Z and move it like this. Go to camera view. Now I will create a location keyframe for the camera. I will try to adjust the camera view from here a little bit, but I think I will undo that. Now go here to frame 5 with camera and focus both selected. Press K and create keyframes for both, just for the location. I will go here and press K2 location. Now go to frame 40. I will select the focus, move it a little bit, not too much, along the axis. Go to top view and enable X-ray. I will move it along Y and X axis, so G, shift Z. Create a keyframe just for the location. I will go back and disable X-ray, select the camera and move it along Z axis. Okay, move the camera. G, just move it like this As you see what we have here, I will create a keyframe for the location. I will select the empty one more time and move it along x-axis a little bit like this. I will create a keyframe for the location or replace the old one. I will go here, select both the camera and the focus. I will create another location keyframe, and here another keyframe we have here, but we can add something. We can move the 3 here, and from this one I will repeat the same process quickly, so follow along with me. It's time for rendering. Before exporting the camera data, for max samples 250, I will pick a location and its PNG and compression make it 0, then render animation. So after rendering, I will export the camera data. So I will select the camera, go to object, go to animation, bake animation, and be sure that you will enable all of these and hit OK. By the way, if you want to know more about baking animation, you can just go to this tutorial and watch it. After that, I will create 3 empties for the text animation. So just follow along with me. I will select this vertex and move the 3D cursor to it, and after that just create an empty, scale it, just apply the scale. I will do the same process. Okay, after that, just select the back empty and the camera and the top empty and the USB empty. Go here, export, and After Effects, JSX. By the way, if you wanted to know how to install this add-on, you can just watch this tutorial. واحد اثنين ثلاثة. So right now I will go to After Effects, import the rendering file, go to File, Scripts, run script file. I will run the script that we have just exported. I will open it, Control K. If you note that the frame rate is 24 and for the animation it's 30, so just I will change it from here, 24, bring it to the composition. I will hide all the empty. So right now, first I will go here and add adjustment layer. From the effect, go to color correct, and I will add geometry color. As you see, first I will pick the color here, change the temperature to -5. And for the creative, now change the shadow tint to a little of blue and do the same for the highlight tint. Let's make it -2, and for the feather I will make it 100. Okay. Now I have some text here I wanna add. Convert it to 3D. Now copy the position of the USB empty and paste it on the text. Now just adjust the position and the rotation and the scale for the text. Right now I will add a simple animation. Go to here to text and animate. I will add scale, then I will add blur and opacity. For the blur I will make it 10. Okay, 10 it's too much, maybe just 5. Okay, I will create a keyframe here and just press U. So right now I will start from here, bring this to here, and I will make it 0. And here is the frame. I will make it 100. For this, just 0. And select both and F9, go here. I will change this to something like that. Enable the motion blur. So right now, if you just play, okay, we have to play with the rotation a little bit, something like this. Okay, go back and I will add opacity. I will make it from here like that, and here should be go. Okay, that's cool, but we can change the color a little bit. Now I will repeat the same process, so just follow along with me. To keep this brief, I will leave the last text as a challenge for you. It's the best way to practice. I hope you enjoyed the process. Thank you for watching and see you in the next project.